Lesson 15 Vocabulary. We've reached the last lesson for the first semester. You know the routine. You're going to take the notes and then use those notes on your homework. So this last week we have two fairly common root words, but the words that we're going to study based on the root words are a little bit more challenging. Our first one is creed. It comes from credere, the Latin verb to believe. So something that's credible is believable. Something that's incredible is not believable. Our first word is credence. It's a noun. It's an abstract noun. A mental acceptance of something as true or real, to believe. If a person continually tells fibs to their parents and their parents find out, they lose their credence with their parents. Our second vocabulary word is credible. It's one that you're familiar with. It's an adjective. It describes something that is worthy of praise. Our third is credulity, which may be a new word to you. It is also an abstract noun. It means readiness and willingness to believe on the basis of little evidence. The little girl's credulity allows her to believe in Cinderella. Our fourth vocabulary is creed. Sylvester Stallone had a movie that came out last year or so that was called Creed, and they had a creed that they followed in the boxing world. But creed is a noun. It is generally a statement of basic beliefs of a religious faith, a set of guiding principles or beliefs. So these are our first four words for this week. Our second root word is cur or curse. Comes from curre, the Latin verb meaning to run. So although the sense of speed may not be evident within the words that come off of this root word, our vocabulary words have a sense of movement. Our first one is concurrent. It's an adjective. It means at the same time. So if you're taking a high school class and an adult school class at the same time, you're taking them concurrently. Our second vocabulary is cursory. It's an adjective. It means hastily and often carelessly done. If a high school student waits till the very last minute and then kind of slaps their homework together, the student has made a cursory attempt at their homework. Our third vocabulary word is discursive. It's an adjective. It means passing from one topic to another. So the student's essay on his summer activities was very discursive and lengthy. And our fourth vocabulary word is precursor. It's a noun. One that goes before or indicates the coming of another. So when you go to a concert, you often have a band that will come out and play before the main event. They're the precursor of the main band. So these 8 words are our words for this last week of study in the first semester. Make sure you have all of your notes done, and then once you do, use them for the homework.